student. Today is the seventh sessions. We are very happy to share a lot of good feedbacks are coming the sessions. The design thinking and innovations session 7 is the ideations. How to can generate ideas. It's a very interesting sessions. The past 6 days we are covered in different kind of design thinking method, design thinking terminologies and terms, and how the peoples are implementing real product design through the design thinking. Persona, wheel on product, wheel on life, ideations. Ideation is a today's session. How to can capture the need of the customers. Empathy mapping. Last class we seen that empathy mapping. Human-centered designs. So design for service and prototype and validations and visualization. Second class we already covered that visual, how to can visualize the product, how to can visualize the persons. In the design thinking, in the design thinking, in the design thinking phases, we already cover a lot. Empathy, define, ideate, and prototype, and design and test. It's called as a like a Sanford model design thinking. Define different peoples are defining different terminologies for design thinking phases. Like IBMs are differently defining design thinking. But most of the peoples are following that Sanford models only. Empathize, define, ideate, and prototype and test. So last class we cover the empathy. Empathy means cordially you do this, cordially you capture, cordially you need identify the people's things. Say empathy. Is the empathy. Empathy is one of the parameters for service quality also. We saw the different tools for empathy, for particularly 5 Ys and 5W plus 1H is a empathy map. One TV examples we saw that lot of products are relevant to empathy, relevant things, products are there. For we are really enjoyed one drone, coconut harvesting drone, and vertical farming is a wonderful example. We see that Horlicks, why the Horlicks companies are giving different varieties of product for a different group of peoples. For example, Horlicks are introducing Junior Horlicks, Mother Horlicks, Mother Plus Horlicks, and some ingredient type of Horlicks also there. Why the companies are covering a group wise target product to the people? That is empathy. Need identification, that is a need identification is empathy. Today we will start with wicked problems. Wicked problems mean, yesterday we told to you one concept. You always like only for solution only, not for so you don't love for what. Yesterday that last session we told, you love problem or solutions. You love problem or solution.
Problems.
Yes, problems. You love problems. Most of the problems are impossible. Problem in the world is not there. In problems in the world is not there. Just to note it, is the problems are incomplete. Yes, the problems are have more constraints. The problems are more interdependent factors. The problems are more interdependent factors. Problems are not defined well. There are more critical factors. That kind of problems only can't able to solve, sir. Just note it before we cut problems. Sure, you can able to develop after this session business model, product, any product prototype, anything. You define your parameters, factors, critical factors. For example, I will tell you that with the one you are moving college to corporate. Very nice things. Corporates are like only for solution providers only. Corporates are not like some people are always bring with problems to the company. Some people are always bring the problems to the company. Some people are always conveying problem to the managements. For example, people are telling, sir, today is water is not come, sir. Today the sky is colding, sir. Today this, if this is the people are conveying the problem to the managements. That people are corporates are not like, sir. Corporates are not like two kind of peoples. One is the some people are bringing the problems to the company. Corporates are not like, sir. Convey the problems to the your top managements. Don't like this kind top managements. Corporates are not like this kind of peoples. Every day some people are telling, sir, these guys are doing this, sir. These guys are done this, sir. This kind of people, sir, corporates are not like, sir. First, second things, you want unique, sir. This is my company, sir. I want unique person, sir. Then you should give the solution to the corporate. Corporate, you can able to give the solution to the corporate. You just add it your design thinking knowledge in your day to life. You can able to change as a solution provided to the company. Just note it. You are giving solutions, sir. Just note it. You are giving the solution to the company. Sir, water is not come, sir. We will have options, sir. 3 to 4 options are there, sir. We will choose the best options, sir. This, sir. That kind of people's only companies are want. And wicked problems. So just see that wicked problems. One critical things like more. Just see that. Just absorb this wicked problems. Wicked problems mean they're not clear. It is all the people are telling it's impossible solving. You can't able to solve the problems. It is impossible to solve the problems. It have the more critical factors. Sir, the independent factors are more interdependent. Many interdependent factors are there in the systems. But you are a solution providers mean you are defining problem solving part. You are defining the problem solving part and you are evolving the solution, sir. You are evolving the solution. Just note it. You are a solution provider. You are you are giving the solution to the company, sir. This is a very critical situation. A very critical situation. We can able to do this way only, sir. Like this kind of people, sir, corporates are like. Maybe you are you can able to realize after 5 years you are a senior engineers level, manager level. You can able to realize you always love with problems only, not solutions. Just notice that you always love with problems, not for solutions. And one more thing, it's a recent one case studies. Customers are increased. What will happen? Customers are increased, sir. You take Ola. You take Ola. Yesterday in Chennai, that Ola is some people are done. Ola is a strike. Okay, Ola is a strike. The companies are telling, so normally customers are increased. This month, 10,000 customer. Next month, 12,000 customer. What will happen? The revenue and profit. Normal case. The normal case, what will happen, sir? Are you understand my question, sir? This month, your customer count is 10,000. Your profit is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Your profit is 10 lakhs. Next month, your customer is 12,000. 12,000. What will happen? Revenue also increase. Revenue definitely increase. This is for your mindset. Your mindset. What Ola and Ubers are telling, what Ola and Ubers are telling. Sir, every day our customers are increasing, sir, but our revenues are decreased, sir. So revenues are decreased. Revenues are decreased. How is possible, sir? We are reaching more people. We are reaching more people. We are servicing the more people, but my profits are, my revenues, my profits are going down. That is the cases. The peoples are not clearly defined. The intermediate, you well known, Ola is an app company. He is interconnecting the client, normal public to that, connecting the public to drivers through vehicles, rental services, only doing that Ola and Uber. You just think, the peoples are not clearly defining, not clearly defining. The problem is the peoples are not clearly defining critical factors, not clearly defining. The biggest company, app companies, is capturing all the things. He's every week is offering his petrol prices are increasing, but the peoples are keeping standard price. The peoples are keeping a standard price. The peoples are in this Ola case study, the Uber case, the Uber also same problems are there. Many independent factors are involving, sir. Many critical factors are involving. Very critical factors are here. 3 years before, anybody's are not predicting that COVID, these situations, economy and other things, the peoples are not predicting. But anybody's are known which institutions are now predicting for third predictions models. Any institutions in India, which institutions are now doing a forecasting model for COVID-19? Anybody's are known? Sir, this institution now work out the COVID third wave forecasting models. Anyone? Yes or no? Anybody's are here? Anybody hear the news? The second wave also the people are doing some models, mathematical model, machine learning models. Anyone? Usmania, no idea. Any other people? Not Usmania. IIT Kanpur and IIT Delhi are doing a lot of mathematical models. IIT Hyderabad also doing. But IIT Kanpur people are doing case studies, machine learning case studies model. Different, they're sending the India's everyday COVID data to the different machine learning models and predicting the different things. So problems are not defined. Not defined mean problems are not defined, not clear. More critical factors involving in this case, definitely that things. And yes, yourself, wicked problems, and yourself, you ask any problems you are right, you are coming in your mind. Any problems coming in your mind, you ask, yes, due to more problem, people work. You ask any problems in your companies are facing, you are also facing some problems. You ask questions, why? For example, very simple problem, I will take one questions. A welder burned herself during the work. That is a problem. For a human, I already told you, man is a critical resources. You can't able to equalize the manpower. You can't able to equalize any manpowers. Welder burned herself during the work. You are analyzing in different way. Your way analyzing what's the reason? Maybe this or this or this like this. What's the possibles? It was very hot in the welding room. The air conditions were not functional. The wires to the air conditions were burned. The main jocket was faulty and needed repair. You are listing different causes, different root causes. Why? Your answer 5 whys. You ask more whys in your minds. Why? Why a welder banded herself during the work? Why? Yes, maybe it was the hot in the welding room. The air conditions was not functioned. The wire to the air conditioners were burnt. The main jacket was faulty and need repairs. This kind of answer came for in your mind, not only for single person mind, different kind of people, different peoples. Finally, you are giving one solution. Change the electrical fitting, comply the latest safety regulations. That is a solution. That is a solution. You see, anybody can able to give a solution, sir. But optimistic solution, best solutions. Company and corporates are need optimistic solution and best solutions. That things. For example, I will that things. Very interesting cases. One of the institutions are work out this wicked problems. India. Now that the institutions are fifth rank in India. RIR ranking. RIR ranking means until innovation ranking. The rankings are concentrating on only for innovations, patent, entrepreneur, pre-incubator, like this. It's a very interesting rankings are there. A lot of parameters are there. Now the institutions is number 5 in India. The institution now we want become a number 1 institution in India. He's asking why we can't able to not come this year number 1. Sir, we are achieved 5th rank in India, but we want first rank in India. The peoples are now thinking why not number 1 in India. We are less expert, sir. We are different engineering peoples are there. So computer science with AI, computer science with data science peoples are there, but very less experts in the area of innovations and entrepreneurship and less number of grants. All the peoples are filing patents, publish the patents, but we want grants are very less grants only coming, sir. Let's start up from the students. Sir, I already told to you, all the engineering colleges are now focusing not for placements. People are focusing entrepreneurship, startup culture. The people are telling it's a startup culture. Less IP commercialization and technology transfer. For example, college students are invented for a project purpose. Finally, a mark purpose, project purpose. But the faculty should convert the students' project into IPR patents, then IPR into commercializations. The very good things are there, sir. Sir, one of our students are developed one bicycle. We are transfer technology and commercialized transfer to one company. The companies are immediately giving for 4 lakhs rupees. We are taking this idea like these things. Less incubation facilities. Sir, I think I will show that next class. Center for Design Thinking and Innovations, IIT Madras and IIT Bhubaneswar and Stanford and MIT. A lot of biggest peoples have a Center for Design Thinking laboratory. And sir, before incubation, you should think, sir, I have ideas, sir, but I want to develop a small prototype, sir. That time you need 3D printing machines. You need that mechanical softwares for 3D dimension softwares. Less pre-incubator facilities. These are the solutions. These are the root causes. Sir, you improve your patent grant, sir. You will become number 1 in India, sir. You take a lot of expert in the area of innovation, startups, and entrepreneurs, sir. You will become a number one in India, sir. More startup from student side, then we will become a number one in India, sir. Sir, every year 20 IP commercialization technology transfer from the institution, sir. Then we will become a number one in India, sir. Sir, we create one biggest laboratory for pre-incubation centers with reverse engineering concept, with 3D printing, with product development center, product development software, all the things. Each and every people are giving one solutions. Final answer is revise the innovative educational framework for producing the next generation engineers. Sir, when the peoples are in engineering colleges, when the peoples are speaking IPRs, product patents, all the things are final years only. All the things are in final years only. Yes, sir. Final years only. Even though mechanical engineer students also 3D printing and advanced concepts. Advanced concept learn only for final years, 8th semester, 7th semester only. Creativity relevant papers, creativities, design thinking, relevant papers are not there. The engineering colleges syllabus. It's a must. A must. Revise the innovative educational framework for producing next generation of engineers. Some colleges are doing very nice. Some autonomous colleges and universities are doing very good jobs for addressing this problems. The people are including some papers, the syllabus, compulsory papers. For example, design thinking is a compulsory paper, system engineering, and lateral thinking, project management, some papers, capstone projects, design project. It's a compulsory paper. You should learn all. Sorry, your branches may be biotech, your branches may be computer science. That is a different thing. That is a different. But you should learn some compulsory papers. Compulsory papers. Design thinking, system thinking, and lateral thinking, and capstone design projects. Lot of things. Some autonomous colleges, some deemed universities are doing very good way that implementing this cases. And one more thing, the AICTs are insisting, I think UHV, Universal Human Value, that subjects are third semester compulsory papers. In that environment sciences are compulsory paper. Similarly, you should put design thinking, system thinking, and lateral thinking. These are the subjects are needed one. Okay, you understand wicked problems mean one wicked problems mean one problems. Wicked problems mean one problems. You are giving different peoples are giving different solution, but based on the root causes, peoples are finalized one solution. Peoples are finalizing one solution. That is a wicked problems. And one more thing, sir, there. Today we will start our class with ideations. Sir, already I told the day one, I told you creative thinking and critical thinking that is equal to problem solving. The problem solving only giving the design. The problem solving is only giving improved methodologies, find inventions, all things are giving the problem solving only. Imaginations, creative thinking and critical thinking. The corporate want critical thinking people only, not for 100% creative thinking. For example, you should do this work. You should do this work this time only. Like time constraints are giving. You should develop a product this material only, this design. You should develop product very less weight. This is for weight. Like this is called as a critical thinking. Critical thinking. So creative thinking plus critical thinking that giving a problem solving, ideations. what is how you are visualizing? Just see that 1 minute you observe and tell me what you are observing. My slide boss. What you are observing? Different bulbs, different anyone, sir? I am observing like this, like anyone. What you infer from the figure? Yeah, tell me. What you observe? How? What visualizing? Different ideas and different colors, multiple ideas and multiple colors. It's a one symbol of creativity. One more answer I need. Glowing bulb.
देखे देखे मैं स्पेशलिटी हूँ तो बात जाकर शाहुल के सामने बोला आंटी
Very nice, very nice answers. Different colors with different height with different colors plays. Very nice answer. One problem for a different solutions. One problems for different solutions. That is a Bhavani. It's the correct answer. One problems with a different solution. Different height mean different solution. Different solutions. Each and every colors here. Colors is defining. His color is defining weightages. Weightages. One more thing, convergence and divergence. I will tell you, coming slide, I will tell you that. Convergence and divergence. Sir, one problem have a multiple solution. You should select a best solution, optimum solution. Yes, sir. You are telling lot, sir. I'm a third year student, sir, final year student, sir. What the benefit for me? Benefit for your projects. Whatever I am teaching, you are applying your project work. Definitely, you are getting very good product. Very good product, sir. From the product, you have a good creativity. You have a good product. Don't wait for me. I will share you the last class. I will share you that my mobile number and email ID. You contact. We will help you from one stage as your creative level to the next level. If your products are very successful, mean your products are very successful, mean you can able to become an entrepreneur, founder, founder of the company. That is the idea generations. What's the benefits for idea? Lot of products day to life you are seeing, sir. Lot of product you are day to life. The product, all products are not complex. For example, Ayurveda mask. Ayurveda mask. It's not complex, sir. You can normal mask only. But the peoples are something doing one more level extra thinking and making the product, and the peoples become a founder of the company, founder of the enterprise, founder of the enterprises. And one more thing, yes, stakeholders, idea generation times. Idea generation times. Idea generation times. Just 1 minute. Just see that 1 minute you observe in the cycles. Idea generation times. Idea generation times. You are owner only, not a decision makers. Owners only, not decision makers. Lot of people are involving in the idea generation process. Your competitor also playing the biggest role. Your competitor also, if suppose Ola is making one decision, mean it affecting Uber. Ubers are taking any one decision. He is implementing one idea mean the Ola is affecting. Olas are watching. So only People are always watching competitor, executive, top managements, employers, salesperson, think tank, and suppliers, customer. All the peoples sit and together and peoples are generating ideas. Then only the product will very successful, very successful. And yes, sir, I ask one questions. Mm, uh, this century, this year, this century, this product is wonderful, true invention, sir. One or two, sir. I heard this product, sir. These things are very really very good products, sir. Very good innovation, sir. The scientists are done very good job, sir. Recently, I heard, sir, that kind of product. Anyone? I'm waiting, and I'm watching for very eager to your answer. Again, I'm repeating my question. Sir, this century, this century, these inventions are very good, sir. Recently, I heard, sir. Powerful inventions, sir. Anyone inventions? Powerful invention. Any kind of inventions. You tell me, any kind of invention. Sir, I'm expecting lot, short. I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Internet. Yes, internet is a changing lot. Any other answer? Yes, good answer. Afros Muskan is a good answer. Computer. Kumar is computer. Smartphones. So Bhavani is the smartphones. Any other product? I'm expecting 10 to electricity. Devi Diastri telling electricities. Any other inventions? Product invention. Solar. Solar. What solar? Solar. I'm expecting two products. Solar bike, okay. Solar bike, okay. Any other new products? Recently, I'm hearing, sir, this is a wonderful product, wonderful invention in the century. Yes, where electricity and petrol and diesel, okay. 5G, very nice answer. 5G, electrical car, Tesla, Aziza, IoT, AI car. I am expected this answer only. Sai is a very nice answer. 3D printing house. IIT Madras are developing 3D printing house. Hybrid electric vehicles, electronic devices, Google car, driverless car. That guy is told, Sai is told, sir, AI car, sir. So wonderful inventions. Wonderful driverless car, Google car, AI car, without driver, people are traveling. Okay. So capsule food, it's a very nice battery bikes. Now I'm expecting one answer from China people, from China countries, China. Recently, the peoples are tested. That product now we will move forward. I'm expecting one answer. Capsule oxygens, very nice answer. Divya, recently Chinese scientists are tested. Artificial sun. Afros Muskan is the correct answer. Artificial sun. So day to life. Wait, before. Day to life, lot of inventions are coming. For example, airbags, General Motors are invented. GPS navigations, it's the biggest invention in the automobile field. Toyota, power steering, and wheel drive passenger cars. So each automobile companies, these are all the things are auto inventions, automobile relevant invention, top and at all time auto inventions. It's called as the top and all time auto inventions. Sir, I have asked one question. Uh, the whole, sir, execution levels. Execution levels. So I already told to you, owner is a different name, employees are different name, customers are in different name. Okay. For example, 3-point seat belt invented Valvo. Valvo companies are invented 3-point seat belt. Valvo invented mean Valvo companies are not invented. Valvo owner is not invented. Not invented. This product who is invented mean young guys like you. Just see that refer the history, wheel steering, Nissan. Just go through it. Very young people, less than 25 age group of young engineers. The people is only inventing. So only IT companies are always like young and brain peoples only. The peoples only can able to generate ideas. Sir, in the age of 38, in the age of 38, 35, you can't able to think much. Just see that ideation process. Lot of ideas are coming, sir. These guys are told this idea, this is a solution. These guys are told this is idea. Ideate, add ideas. Ideate is open to all. Sometimes even the governments are asking feedback to the public. How we can able to implement these schemes like this. Recently that governments are asking new education policy, how to can successfully implement new education policy. The faculties, NAC, national accreditations, the NAC is asking best practices for your institution. How can you able to implement best practices in the overall India's educational practices? So each peoples are giving solution. Each peoples are giving the solution. The solution to the peoples are clustering. Peoples are clustering. Then the peoples are checking the hypothesis. Hypothesis means it's work out or not work out. The people have yes or no. Finally, the peoples are giving the expert opinions. Expert. Without expert, we can't able to develop further. Yesterday class, I told to you, I squared, interest and involvement plus expert input. Expert input is really needed. Then only you can able to get one new idea. This is the ideation process. Any product development peoples, you should generate lot ideas, large solutions. You cluster your ideas. You just check these ideas are work out or not work out. And finally you get that expert input. And then only you can able to get a new product. New product. This is a ideations process. Just see, idea vetting tools. A lot of idea vetting tools are there, sir. Own data, social media data, people and search engines, Google patterns and Google Scholar. Lot of search engines, website portals are there for think. For example, I will show that Nano Robo. Nano Robo. I want to develop on Nano Robo. I know only for the catchy word Nano Robo. I don't know the definitions of the Nano Robo or something. First of all, you are searching in the Google patterns. Anybody's are already done or not done. Okay, this institution, these peoples are done. Okay, how can you able to interact with the expert people? Social medias, anybody's are shared and LinkedIn and other things. Some technical, some data are there, sir. Some data are there. Some own data are there. Even though that just check some peoples are giving open data. For example, patent publications. Patent publications. You have patent numbers mean patent access, patent portal. You can able to access any people inventions in the open, it's already there in the open portal. You can able to access if you know the keywords as well as pattern number. Yes, lot of idea generation techniques are there, sir. It's all the things everyday life you are doing. Storyboard, mind map, hammer, what if, SWOT analysis, gap filling, 5 whys, brain writing. Lot of things are there. Lots of things are there. Idea generation techniques. But I took only for 3 to 4, very short and sweet, for product development idea generations, brainstorming. Some group of people, some group of people are discussing without judgment. That word is very important, sir. Without judgment. In the before the meeting, you should come your blank mind. Don't set like this. Design by analogies, design heuristic, lateral thinking, morphological analysis, and scammer is a wonderful tool. I will explain. Bridge. These 2 tools, for particularly, I'm very eagerly waiting for 2 tools, Scamper and Bridge. Scamper and Bridge. Very wonderful tool for product development idea generation, sir. Product development idea generations. Brainstorming is a group of people are made to generate new ideas around the specific areas. Yes, group of design people and that manufacturing people. This side design engineer, that type manufacturing engineer. Like these people are. The problem is in brainstorming, some people are doing that criticize. Go for larger ideas. That is a minus for brainstorming. It is a judgments rules for brainstorming. Storyboard is a very interesting things. Storyboards. I already told to you. Nowadays, lot of storytelling app is there. The peoples are you are a child me. You are hearing the stories and you are visualizing. Some peoples are you tell one story to Raja stories, king and king story to one child. And after some time, the king is that child is imagining I am a king, like this. Scene number 1, scene number 2, scene number 3, scene number 4, scene number 5, scene number 6. Product development aspects. Lot of stages are there, sir. Even though some products are there, some product. Example, in auto, or particularly the automobile kind of product, maintenance and service oriented things, service oriented product is want lot of visualizations, lot of scenes. For example, you take one bike. After 6 months, you should do this type of water wash, sir. Once you reach the 2000 kilometers mean, you do like this kind of maintenance, like the scenes are there. It's like a one kind of storyboard. It's like a one kind of storyboard. It's like a one kind of visualization as well as that idea generations. Yes, convergence and divergence. A large number of ideas the people are generated, sir. The brainstorming or a storyboard, you are generated a lot of ideas, lot of solution. Sir, 100 people are there in my team. Each people are telling one idea, one idea. I got it my storyboard in 100 solution, 100 ideas. Now the time is pick the best one. First, list all the ideas and narrow down with all in details and pick the best one based on your company brand, based on profit. Like this, you can able to do. It's called as a convergence and divergence technique. A storyboard. We already told to you a storyboard. Just 1 minute. In the idea generation times, affinity mapping, and we will see the later affinity mapping, and one more idea cluster. Just to note it, just 1 minute, you observe my boards, you observe my boards, you observe my boards, connecting the dots, connecting the dots. The same picture where you are seeing any places you are seeing, sir. Just see that my chart, my board, my slides, idea cluster, connecting the dots. You visualize the same thing you are here, you are seeing any places, sir. Connecting the dots, ad advertisement or any places you are seeing or you, sir, I'm seeing this similar this place, sir, like this, connecting the dots. Any advertisement, any places you are. Sir, I'm waiting for you, your answer. Just the idea hospitals. A very nice answer. Venkatesh, we touched the people. We touched 1 crore people. We touched the people. We connected the people. We connecting the people. It's a very nice answer, Venkatesh. Any other ad you are seeing in your real life, you visualize. That is the best quality for design thinking. Connecting the idea cluster, connecting the dots, and see that my thing, and you tell me hospitals only one thing, any other things are there? SIM advertisements, libraries, connect the knowledge system, connect the knowledge. That's the libraries. Very nice network companies, connect the people, connect the people. Electricity tower. It's a very nice visualization. Amu Vini, Venkateswara Rao, Afroz Muskan, and Bhavani, that Sim, and Chaitanya, the library. Yes, connecting the things. Yes, satellite images, neurologists, neural network. Yesterday I saw that one guy said, sir, this is a neural network, sir. I'm visualizing this is a neural network. Very nice and wonderful answer. Just see, anything in the world, some root causes are there. Some root causes are there. Maybe some business people are there in the network. Root causes. Root causes. Just see that my playground equipments. I want to best playground equipment. What's the root causes are there? What the root causes are there? Painting. These are the possible roots. Whole car. These are the possible roots are there. Like this, you can able to define any problems. That is a root causes problems. The TQM is called as a root causes analysis. In TQM, it's a one type of quality management tools. It's like it's kind of one thesis coming. It's like one of thesis comics. And there are lot of ideations techniques are there. For example, individual ideations. Yes, sir, I'm only one person's. I'm only one person's there in the college should think. I'm only one person's in the college should think like this. I'm only one person's will do like this. What will do? You have things a rapid fire. It's called as a rapid fire ideations. You take a paper and 8 different ideas should generate 1 minute per idea. Rapid fire ideations. Rapid fire ideations. And second one, so no, sir. I have a group of people, sir, there. We are sort out in very different way. These are problems. It's called as a speed mind mapping. Speed mind mapping. Just note it, sir. Again, I will repeat my previous slide. Rapid fire ideation, individual ideations, here group ideation, speed mind ideations. So normally 3 different levels are there. Level 1 ideas are preliminary idea. Level 2, the peoples are expand the idea. Level 3, the peoples are adding values, adding the values. Why peoples are biggest solution, biggest problems are rise in the countries. Cabinets are 3 to 4 times again and again repeatedly meet and discussing and taking a decision. Cabinet, central cabinet. It's not the first meet is not giving it's discussing. The first meet, the level 1, the peoples are getting okay, have options. It's called as a preliminary ideas. The people have got the preliminary idea. The next level, next sit, it's called as a sitting. The family members also, some problems are there, mean the peoples are taking 3 to 4 sit simultaneously. Every Saturday, Sunday, the peoples are sitting together and speaking. First sit. Okay, we will speak in the next week. Expanding, expanding the ideas. Third, the last sit, the peoples are finalizing. The last sit, the peoples are finalizing, and the peoples are putting the final things. That's called as a level 3 idea. Yes, a reverse thinking. We will see later. 5 5W plus 1H. What, where, when, why, how, who. All the places the peoples are speaking. Yesterday I discussed and SWOT analysis, strength, weak, opportunity. And yes, I'm expecting this. Sir, in your real life, you take any products. I already, the day one itself, I told to you, you are not a rocket scientist. You are not a biggest genius. Your brain is very small, but I want to develop a product, sir. You just see that in your real life, new inventions, people are launching a new product, but it's not a new thing. Not a new thing. People are substituting, people are combining, people are adapting, people are magnifying, people put to other use. These guys are using this, people are using others purpose, eliminating, rate eliminations, rearranging, and the people are introducing new product. A very interesting slide, sir. If you have ideas, me, sir, I have small ideas, sir. All the ideas, all the products are coming under this camera things. Substitute, replace one part, replace one part, replace one part with another one better. Sir, I ask one questions. One product, any one product, are you replaced any one product, this part, sir? I replaced this part, my product recently. Anyone? Anyone? Sir, recently, just note it, recently, I am substituting one part in my product, this part, my product, for better performance. Anyone get? Any one product? Thus, I am waiting for you. Substitute. The scamper, the first point is substitute. Substitute. Substitute mean you are not inventing new product. You are substituting one part to another one part. Motor, yes, sir. That motor part I am changing, sir. That this, sorry. Yes, sir. The pin speed I want to more. Pin speed is increased, sir. So I am added one new motor, sir. Yes, sir. I am adding a RAM, sir, in my memory card. Smart TV, sir. I am converting that smart TV to smart TV, sir. Like first case, combine, sir. These products are doing combine both. Sir, I will show you that very interesting case. You take this very small pen, 10 rupees pens. The 10 rupees pencils are combine two functions. One is writing. Normal pencils are doing only for writing only. These pencils are writing eraser fitted with erasers. It's called as the already pencil companies are launching the pencils. Another one companies are launching pencil with eraser, pencil with eraser, pencil with sharpener, pencil with eraser. Products are there. Products are there. The peoples are adding one more functions. Adapt, 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 modify. Very small modifications. Sir, already the products are there, sir. Already the products are there, sir. But the people are doing small modification and launching the new things. In the second day class, I told you, charcoal dosa, ring bangle for women, ring bangle for women. Sir. Yes, combined answer, Chakravarti. It's a very nice answer. Combined. Yes, ring with bangle. Very nice answer. Modify. Give one answer for modify. Modify. Sir, these products I am modified. I got it like this. Any one product. Peoples are modified. Any one answer. Sir, this already the products are there. The peoples are doing small modification. TV. Yes. Cars. Yes, cars. Sir, tomorrow I will show you that. Bike, bullet bike. People are taking bullet bike for what? Bullet bike for put to another use. Normally, Royal Enfield bike, bullet bikes. Normally, the people are used for transport only. But just to note it, when guys are replacing with tractor, his bullet bike, very wonderful put to another use. So normally driving purpose, the people are using for cars and other things. The people are thinking, why I can able to use my bike for tractor. I can able to replace tractor with my bike. Tractor with my bike. Eliminate. Go to that first day I told you. The youngsters want very less weight product only. Kinetic Honda. Kinetic Honda. The people are eliminating unwanted parts. Then automatically that weights are automatically reduced. Finally, reverse, reconstruct product and rethink some mates are more pains. Okay, that is a reverse. And one more thing, I will only one methods, then I will close. Yes, that is a next tool. This tool over now I will close my system. 2 slides only. Print the one kind of idea generations. It is structurized innovation for inventive problem solving and product development. My problem into analog solution, analog to solution to my solution. Wonderful thing, sir. Any problems, sir. Normally, you just ask your modify, sir. Very nice example, sir. Telling modify cycle to rickshaw, auto like bike. Very nice. I will come for next tool. Structurized innovation for inventive problem solving for a product. So normally, because IAS officers speaking in terms in statistics, people are speaking with statistics. Then only the people, for example, you observe CM speech in legislative assemblies. People are speaking like this, our growth rate is like a 7.7, like this way the people are speaking. We are distributed this product, this much people. We achieved 98%. The people are speaking, but the problem with combined the data, combined with data, analog problems, analog solution. Yes, sir, we achieved 60%. We have a solution for achieve that 90%. That is a trick. This is a structurized innovations for inventive problem solving and product development. For example, yes, so one problems are there, lot of concepts are there. From the concept to variants are there. Variants, just see that. Finally, sir, you can able to generate n numbers of solution, n numbers of concept for a single problems. Just a dredge. You take the dredge, enrich each and every concept, each and every solution have some numerical values. You speak always problems with numerical values. Yes, variant. Statistic, the people are calling variation, variant, static deviation, standard deviation. People are speaking a lot. Concept, one problem, the people are generating multiple concepts, multiple solution. Each solution, each concept have lot of variants are there. You can able to differentiate. You are picking this concept, mean you can able to compare this concept to this concept. For example, you are taking this solution, mean you take like a 10 days times. You are taking this solution, mean you have a lead time, 15 days lead times. Like this, any problem, life, any problems, life, just convert. You can able to convert problem into statistic, problem into statistics, problem into that analog problems, analog to solution. Sir, I will last example I will tell you. Every semester you got it result, sir. Like this semester I got it as 7 CGPA, 7 CGPA, 7 CGPA. My problem is I want to achieve 8 CGPA. Yes, now I'm in 7 CGPA. I want to convert 7 CGPA into 8 CGPA. 7 CGPA into 8 CGPA. What we do? What we do? For example, problematic paper, you should give more importance. For problematic papers, mathematics papers, you should give more importance. Yes, I have final years, I have a lot of big scopes are final year. In the project aspects, you have a lot of scopes are here. Lot of scopes are there. You are converting your problem into numerical values. You can able to compare each solution. Sir, yes, I got it. This paper 85 marks mean my final scores are reflecting. My final scores are reflecting. For example, this subject is a 4 credit subject, sir. I should concentrate on more. If suppose I got it, I got very low mark in this subject, mean it reflect my overall CGP. Like this, you can able to think. Idea generation, multiple solution, multiple concept, each and every concept have some numerical value. You can able to compare. That is called as a trick. Another one is affinity mapping. We will see tomorrow that affinity mapping. Affinity mapping is one type of idea generation only. We will cover a lot of idea generation tools, techniques. The very interesting thing is scammer. Without scammer, you can't able to skip any product development, sir. Any product development you can't able to do without scammer. Scamper mean substitute, combine, adapt, modify to another, use, eliminate, and reverse. Any doubts, students, today that any doubts are there? Any doubt? Oh, sir. Thank you, Chaitanya. Thank you, Vengleshwar Rao. Thank you. we will close the session. Ma'am,
Yes, sir. Can we
thank
close
you,
the
thank
session?
you.